Welcome to the kicks with benefits. The first kick is back kick. See the demonstration. First you need to twist your foot and then perform back kick with your heel. This is a very light attack technique. There are two types of back kick. Now this is the second one. You can use your hand to perform back kick. When you attack from behind, then you can use this back kick. But remember, you cannot knock out your enemy. You can just push him. So prepare for next attack. The second one is round side kick. This is a very powerful attack. First, again, twist your foot and then perform side kick. If you attack from front or back, you can perform this kick to give a very powerful pushing attack to your enemy. If your enemy is armed, then you can use a crescent kick and then perform a back kick. And you can throw your enemy back. So this is it guys. Thanks for watching.